Essential tips for staying safe and prepared. Hello everyone. Today, I want to share some practical tips that can help you stay safe and prepared in various situations. These steps are simple yet effective and can make a significant difference in emergencies. Let's get started. 1. Learn basic first aid. Knowing basic first aid can save lives. Consider taking a course to learn skills like CPR, wound care, and using a tourniquet. 2. Prepare an emergency kit. Keep a kit with essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and important medications. This should be easily accessible at home and in your car. 3. Stay informed. Keep up with local news and weather updates. Sign up for emergency alerts in your area to stay informed about potential hazards. 4. Create a family emergency plan. Discuss and establish a plan with your family. Know the evacuation routes and have a meeting point if you get separated. 5. Know emergency numbers. Familiarize yourself with emergency contact numbers and the locations of nearby hospitals and shelters. 6. Practice basic survival skills. Learn how to start a fire, purify water, and build a basic shelter. These skills can be invaluable in various scenarios. 7. Maintain your health. Keep up with regular checkups and vaccinations. Ensure you have a supply of any necessary medications. 8. Stay mentally prepared. Mental preparedness is just as important as physical. Practice mindfulness and stress relief techniques to stay calm in emergencies. 9. Build community connections. Connect with neighbors and local groups. A strong community can provide mutual support during difficult times. By taking these simple steps, you can enhance your safety and preparedness. It's about being proactive and ready for whatever comes your way. Share this information with friends and family to help them stay safe too. Stay safe and prepared. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.